Hello everyone, my name is Haris Khan. I've been running Mindtel from past 3 years, and one thing that I love about Mindtel is my team.
Hi, my name is Amrit. I've been part of Mindtel from so many years, and the one thing I like about Mindtel is its vision of the company.
Hi, good morning. My name is Arjun Kumar. I'm associated with the Mindtel from the last 2 years. Actually, it's a Mindtel family, I would like to say, because it's like a family for me. One thing I would like to say about the company, the team which I am having.
I'm Faizan Alam. I'm working in Mindtel for the last 2 years. The best thing of Mindtel is its leadership, culture and environment. I love my team.
Hi, this is Bhavya and I've been working with this company from the last 2.5 years. What I like about this company is that it gives equal opportunities to all.
Hi everyone, my name is Rohit Arnav. I've been working with Mindtel for the past 2.5 years. One thing that I like about the organization is the work ethics.
Hi everyone, Muskan this side, and I'm working in Mindtel since 1 year. And what I like about the Mindtel is the work culture and environment.
My name is Tahir. I am working in Mindtel since long, and the best thing of Mindtel, the team support and work environment.
Hi, this is Shubhangi and I have recently joined this company, and one thing that I like about this company is the cooperation between the colleagues and the top management. I like most.
Hi, this is Shahjahan Alam. I have been working with Mindtel for last 3 years, and one thing that I like most about the Mindtel is the support and guidance from the management.
Hi everyone, my name is Shashti and I'm working here since last 1 year, and I like about this company is the work culture and the team.
Hi everyone, my name is Ali Asa and I have been working here for long, and one thing that I like about this company is opportunities for newcomers.
Hi, my name is Yashwini. I'm working with Mindtel from past 1 year, and the thing which I love in the Mindtel is the people here are very supportive and very kind.
This side is Kazim. I work with the Mindtel last 9 months. One thing about the Mindtel is positive culture.
Hello everyone, my name is Pooja, and the one thing that I really love about Mindtel that it makes you think mindfully, and it has always provided me a space to grow and flourish.